Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the mega recruitment, that is huge number of vacancies from the multiple colleges. So here the candidates who are having the only post graduation and are looking for the faculty job notifications. So this video will be very helpful to you guys. And at the same time, I am requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications with only post graduation. Fine. So it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and watch the video until the end to get the complete details regarding all the recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video and the links also I kept. So please check down those. Into the present content of the video. So here we are going to see the multiple colleges guys. Okay. And out of the different colleges, the first one we are going to see is the Akal Sahaya College of Education from Faridkot. Okay. So applications are invited for the post of assistant professor in the department's education and the foundation courses like philosophy, psychology, sociology, and pedagogy of English, Hindi, Punjabi, mathematics, history, social studies, economics, political science, commerce, home science, music, physical education, computer science, fine art on regular basis. Qualification as laid by the NCT or the Punjab government or Punjab University, and the candidates may send their applications with attested testimonials within 40 days to the college office through post or else the email. So I'm suggesting you to please send through the email guys. Okay. And the email ID is akal.sahaya@yahoo.com. Fine. It is the first one. And while coming to the second one is Shanti Education Society's A.G. Patil Polytechnic Institute from Solapur, NBA accredited programs. Okay. And here the appointments are there for the lecturer vacancies for the departments civil, computer and electrical. So it is a diploma college. So if you're having the post graduation, then it is more than enough. Okay, the qualification, pay scale and other services conditions as per the ACT and the DT norms. Whoever the interested candidates are there, you may send your resume to the office.agppi@gmail.com till 10th August 2021. And coming to the third one, it is Prerna College of Commerce from Nagpur. Okay, government recognized run on permanent no grant basis. Okay, so NAC UGC accredited institute, the B grade. It is requires the assistant professor in commerce, management, computer science, computer application, information technology, English and sports to teach UG and the PG level classes. Qualifications as per the UGC or the government of Maharashtra and RTM Nagpur University. Whoever the qualified candidates are there, you have to send your resume with the copies of all necessary documents to this provided mail ID. I hope the mail ID is properly visible to all of you. That is Prerna College GENGP@gmail.com till 10th August 2021. Right? It is the third college. And coming to the fourth college, it is Chevalier T. Thomas Elizabeth College for Women. Fine. So from Chennai. And here the contact number, landline number, website as well as the email ID is also provided. So please check down guys. And applications are invited for the post of assistant professors in the departments English, Chemistry, BCA, Commerce, MSW. Only women candidate with qualification as per the UGC norms have to apply. And the programmer also required. The qualification is MCA. And the office clerk, MCA or MBA. So apply within 15 days with full particulars to managing trustee and correspondent. So Chevalier T. Thomas Education Trust. Okay, St. Mary's Road, Chennai. The contact number is also provided. Right? So it is the fourth college. And coming to the fifth college, it is advertisement for faculty positions. Yeah, faculty position of Shushrutam Utkal Health and Educational Charitable Trust for School of Nursing and Allied Health Sciences at Utkal University New Campus. Okay. And here the associate professor 1 vacancy and assistant professor 2 vacancies and a tutor 3 vacancies are there. And if you want to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification, details matlab qualifications, salary, okay, something. Okay, if you want to get, you have to visit the official website of the this university, that is uhecet.org. Okay, and the positions are purely temporary and on a contractual basis. Eligible and experienced candidates may fill all required data in the online, and the last date for receipt of online application is 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. 15 days means actually this notice released on 27th July 2021. So 15 means still the time is there. So if you're eligible and interested, then apply. Yes, shortlisted candidates will be informed for the date of interview by email or the telephone. Okay, so it is the fifth one. And coming to the sixth one, wanted Anna Teresa College of Engineering. Okay, so professor and assistant professor in the departments of English, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Mechanical, Electronics, Electrical, and Computer Science. And librarian, PED, and the lab assistants are required. So the interested candidates, that means if you're having the only post graduation, then no problem, guys. Okay, so send your biodata to the info.atc@gmail.com. So here the few more mail IDs are also there. So send your biodata or resume or curriculum vitae to all the 3 mail IDs, whatever they provided here. Fine. So it is the next one. That is the 6th college. And coming to the 7th college is RISE, Krishna Sai Group of Institutions from Andhra Pradesh. It is wanted the teaching as well as the non-teaching staff, guys. So who will see the departments? The last date is 7th August 2021. And here the online application link is also provided, tinyurl.com /RISE-KSG. Positions, Professor Associate as well as Assistant Professor. And the Assistant Professor vacancies are there in the department Civil, Mechanical, Electrical, CSC, EC, MBA, MCA, English, Maths, and Physics. And the trainers also required for the communication skills, technical, verbal, and aptitude. Network administrator required, lab technician, programmers, data entry operator, and the wardens. All these fellows are required. And the application link is provided here, tinyurl.com /RISE-KSG. And if you search for this link in the Google, then you will be directed to this one, guys. So it is a Google form. So carefully you have to fill up all the details here. Email ID, name of the applicant, gender, category, mobile number, department. Okay, so for which department you are applying. Okay, see, there's so many departments are there. So for which department, okay, experience and the total experience for which post you are applying for. Okay, so many posts are there. So you have to select for which post you are applying for and what are the key responsibilities, and then go to the next one, right? So total, these are the different vacancies, guys. Total, I shown you the 7 different colleges: RISE, Anna Teresa, as well as nursing, and Thomas Elizabeth College for Women, Prerna College of Commerce, Patil Polytechnic, okay, and this one, Akal Sahaya, right? So only postgraduates who are looking for the job vacancies, it is a wonderful opportunity to you. So don't miss this one, guys. And to get the few more videos, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Okay, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues, which will be very much helpful to them. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So the interested candidates may listen, guys. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means Commerce and General Paper on Teaching, Management, Computer Science and Application, Political Science, History, Economics, Practice and Strategy, Sociology, Labor Welfare, English, Language and Education, Geography, Law, Hindi, Psychology, Public Administration, Electronic Science, Environmental Science, Home Science, and Philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month, 2,900, and for 3 months, 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.